This might be more than one. Feels pretty heavy. Oh, a couple. I'm just gonna make do with 3 baits because that's all I got. Okay, nothing much happening here, so I'm gonna do the last ditch effort. 3/0 hook, perfection loop straight to fluoro. This is how you know times are getting desperate. Risk getting cut off by an ono. Sometimes it's what you gotta do. It's my last bait. Oh, funny thing, I think this was my first bait that I caught.
Finally hit leader.
Here we go. Oh no. There we go. I'm on over here. Yeah, fluoro. Alright. Let's not mess this up. This could also be the only fish of the day. These fish really do seem to care about fluoro versus wire. This might be a rainbow runner. I want you on this side. There we go. Definitely not very big, whatever it is. It came up really easy. He doesn't like the kayak. He's right there. Right below me now, about 50 feet down. Actually, maybe a pretty decent fish. He just saved all his energy for the kayak. He's right next to me. There it is. I see a spot of silver down there. That's looking very Shibi-like. Where'd he go? There he is.
Yeah, he's a good size one. He's not 15 pounds. This is a nice fish. I'll go 30.
Fuck yeah, Louis.
Right on, bro.
Oh, right on. Louis on a big Shibi.
He went for the big bait too, the big neutral one.
Whew, this fish has a bit of gas in him yet. He's not kidding around. Oh, he's getting wrapped up in my other line though. Let's see if we can avoid a tangle. Especially because that's my last live bait on that line. Don't want to lose it. There we go. A little Shibi on the boat. Not bad, maybe a 12-pounder or so. There we go. Little Shibi, Yellowfin Tuna. All right. Not a bad little fish to start the day off. All right, this guy in the bag. A lot of ice, so he'll keep nice and cold.